So welcome back, guys. So today's GFG daily problem of the day is uh, print diagonally. So it is an easy question. So if you are new to this channel, we solve lead code daily challenges, problem of the day questions of GFG, and all the contests of Code Forces, Code Chef, and lead code. So let's see what today's question is. This question has been asked in Amazon interview. So let's see. We are given an n cross n matrix A, which we have to return all the elements of its anti-diagonals from top to bottom. So if the matrix is this, so we have to print 1 first, then 2 comma 3, then 4 anti-diagonal. Like you can see, diagonal is this, but we are printing it anti-diagonally. So it is a pretty easy question. So let's see, we have divided, like in this example we have to print 1 2 4 3 5 7 6 8 and 9 then. So we have to return this factor in this order. Okay, so it's a pretty easy question. We have divided this whole matrix into two parts. First we'll print this upper half, then we'll go for this lower half. Like 1 2 3 3 5 7 will be printed in the first and printed, or it is pushed into the vector answer vector first, then we'll push in this lower half. So let's see how we can do this. So first we have to print elements above and on second diagonal. Okay, so let's see. We have initialized the vector, that is the answer. So we are traversing downward starting from the first row. So let's see what's in the first row. We have 1 1 2 3 in the first row. So we always, you can see that when we print push into the answer vector, we are pushing 1 first, then 2 4, then 3 5 7. Always 1 then 2 then 3, they are first ones, then we go down the diagonal. So we initialize row always 0, and we change the column. Okay, so we change the column because first once 1 is printed, then we have to move to this, then we'll go here. Okay, so like here, while column is greater than equal to 0, we push back matrix of row and column. Let's see what's first row is 0, column is also 0. So 0 comma 0, as column is greater than equal to 0, so we push back 1. Then we do row plus plus and column minus minus, then it becomes negative, and we come out of this while loop, and we go and increase our k. And now the k value here is 1. So if it is 1, then the row is 0 again, and the column is 1. So the row is 0 and the column is 1, means that we are pointing to this 2. So what we have to do is, we will uh, d- we will increase the row and we'll decrease our column so that we can count to this 4. So we again do this, while column is greater than equal to 4, that is column is 1, so 1 is greater than equal to 4, sorry 0. Then we push back into the factor matrix of row column. So that is 2 is pushed back, then we increase the row as plus plus, row is increased, so row is now 1 and column is now 0. Column is now 0, so column is greater than equal to 0 now also, so we push back matrix of row 1, row 1 and column 0, that is 4 1 0. Okay, so similarly we'll push back this whole thing 3 5 and 7. So the first half is done, now we'll have to push back 6 8 and 9. So for this, we are starting we have our j value as 1, and we are traversing downward starting from the last column. Okay, so the column value is n minus 1, that is it points to the last column, and the row value is j, that is 1, that is 6. So column value is now 2, then 2 comma 1. So matrix, now we are pointing to this, so we have to traverse like the first 6, then we have to come to 8, means we have to increase the row value and decrease our column value. It is initially at 2, so we have to do it 1 and increase our column value, sorry, increase our row value, that is initially now it's 1, then we have to do it 2. So we push back 6 first, then we push back 8, and similarly we do the last traversal and we push back 9. So at last v contains the answer, and we have our answer vector, and we return the answer v. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. So you can subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Okay, so bye, thank you.